everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. So today we're going to make a lovely card and I'm going to showcase the new in colours. Now I did have a, a couple of packs of the new in colour 6x6 DSP and this is all I've got left because I did share it with my customers and I put it in my customer thank you packs last month, so they all got a little bit of all of the new in colours. So I thought I'd come on and share how I would make a little card. Now they did just get some little squares so that because we could only order so many packs and I had to make it go, you know, I was a little bit like, you know, trying to make the breadcrumbs go as far as possible. So they got squares, I think 3x3, are there? Yeah, 3x3 squares they got. So I'm going to show you what you could possibly do. I might use a little bit more than that as well. So I'm starting and I'm going to cut my card base to 4 1/8. You will see that I have a new trimmer. And the reason that I decided to buy a new trimmer is so that I don't need blades, which are on short supply. I thought I would leave those for other people. So I've cut that to 4 1/8 and it's 11 3/4. The only downside to this one is I don't have a scoring tool on it. So I'm going to have a look on the internet and see if I can get one for it. So yeah, it's bye-bye to my Stampin' Up trimmer, unfortunately. Until Stampin' Up bring a new one out and then I will purchase that one. So I'm excited to see what they bring. And in the meantime, I'll do a mend. I'm a Yorkshire lass, I can do it. I can make do. Right, so I'm going to cut my card base to 4 inches by 5 5/8. 4 inches, 5 5/8. No, I'm not. I'm going to cut it. Is that 5 3/4? This is the only thing with this trimmer. I don't understand the measurements on it. I can't. I don't get it. I'm not used to it. I want me in the trimmer back. Never mind. Okay, so is that right now? Yeah, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my one colour of each of the new in colours. So here are the in colours minus the purple poppy, which is going to be coming soon. Now I do what most people do, and when the new in colours come I'll just buy them all and then I've got them all at once, and the re-inkers and the matching 6x6 DSP. It's one of my first purchases, and a lot of my customers and a lot of other people do buy them all in one go and then they're there, they're done, they're going to last you 2 years. Boom, that's that out the way then. So let's have a look what we're going to do. So this is my card base. So we've got purple posy, we've got I'm still getting used to the names, terracotta tile, and we've got the seaside spray, am I in shot? And then the pretty peacock. Okay, so those are there's one missing. Rocco Rose. Is it Rocco Rose? Rocco Rose. There we go, Rocco Rose. Okay. So for this 6x6 DSP, one side looks like lino. One side's got script. One side looks like chicken wire. And then you've got, so those are the 4 different designs for each. And you're going to get, is it 2 sheets of each? So 4 sheets of each colour in the different designs altogether. So that's the lino, that's the script, that's the chicken wire, and that's the gingham. I nearly forgot them. So what I'm going to do is I want butterflies. So I'm going to use my little squares. And this is what I'd encourage the ladies who got this in their thank you pack. punch, one thing you can do is you can punch in the middle of that square there, okay, and then you'd have like a butterfly hole, and you can stick that on your card and then put a sentiment. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just make some butterflies from mine. So that's my purple poser, and I'm going to punch for each colour, okay. Like so. And I am super happy that this punch is carrying over, and also I do know that there is another stamp set in the new catalogue that is going to coordinate with this. So if you haven't got it, might be worth it. Loads of people have bought it. It did come back in stock. I believe the last time I looked it was in stock. So yeah. Awesome, I love it. Gotta love a butterfly. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just, let me think how I'm going to do them. I'm going to layer them up like we do with the butterflies. So bear with me, I'm going to curl the biggest ones. Okay. Like so. Okay, and then what I'll do off camera is I will create another card using some of the leftovers, because this is all I've got left now until the catalogue goes live, because I can't physically, I'm not allowed to order anymore myself. But I'll make another card off camera and I will post it on my Facebook business page tomorrow or later today, depending on time. Just to give you another little bit of an idea. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer this up first. This would be nice if I embossed it as well. That would step it up a little bit. Use one of the embossing folders. Okay. Okay. You can never have too many layers of cardstock. In my opinion, because all it's going to do is strengthen that card and make it more sturdy. Okay, so that's that on there now. Alrighty, so let's start and layer up these butterflies. What I should have done first of all is stamp my sentiment. In fact, I'm going to do that now. And I'm going to stamp this one, thanks for being you. I've just endeavoured to send out more cards, and I've actually set a monthly budget for several things. Over the last couple of days I've been doing some reorganising. I've set a monthly budget, and I'm going to be sending a certain amount of cards in the mail, smiles in the mail every month, along with a few other things that I'm on with and doing, to share more and give back more. Let me just grab a block, and there we go. Right, is that straight? I reckon so. I might just have to have a practice that is straight, because even though we've got these fantastic new stickers which make sure that our stamps cling to those blocks beautifully, I'm not the very best at hand-eye coordination, and so I will say I don't always get them on straight. I think I'm going to use Pretty Peacock. I think that's going to stand, I don't know though, quite like Rocco Rose. This is the thing with the new in colours. I just want to use them all at the same time straight away. And I am glad that I did purchase them all. Do we want that one? I don't know. Let's have it. Let's stop messing about. Okay. I'm dithering, aren't I? So let me just stamp that on the bottom of here. And then I can send that to anybody. It's not necessarily a birthday card. Because I don't think you need to wait for a special occasion to send a card in the mail. Right, so let's see how we're going to put these on here now. Don't really know, I've not planned it. I just thought I'd cut out some butterflies and see what happened. So let's just tiny dot of glue in the middle of there and layer that up. like so. Okay. Just use my... Let me grab my perky tool. Let me grab my take your pick tool. Okay, and then I can hold that and I can just bend those wings back, and then I'm just going to bend that wing back, and then I'm just going to very simply, and this is not a difficult card. Well, I don't think it's going to be. I don't know. I've not I've not made it before. Sometimes I just love to just create on the hop and just make things up as I go along. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to do it 2, 2 and 1. That is what I think I'm going to do. I think that will look the nicest. So let's have a look. I think this is a beautiful, beautiful colour, and I think I'm going to put him in the middle like that. There. Is that in the middle? It'll do for me. And I'm going to bend that up, and I'm going to have the script writing out. You don't necessarily have to have the same print facing you as the bottom butterfly. Okay, I'll stick that on there like so. These colours are absolutely beautiful. Now those of you with sharp eyes will see that that script writing is upside down. But never mind, it doesn't matter. Okay. Rocco Rose. So as soon as that catalogue goes live, I will be getting some more of this beautiful new in colour DSP, and you can also get the matching cardstock. I think it's good to get things that just automatically go together, and just treat yourself, you know, in a just one fell swoop, get them all, and then it's done. They're there. Okay, and we will have gingham on that side. I've got plans to make this afternoon. My little girl breaks up from school on Friday. I'm away Thursday and Friday at a meeting, a Stampin' Up meeting. So I need to get organised and get ahead, and then it's school holidays. So hopefully I'm going to go and travel down south and see one of my lovely friends, and take Alexia to the seaside. Can't wait. Can't wait. One of the good things about being a Stampin' Up demonstrator is I can pick and choose my hours, and within reason, you know, I can take time off. It just means a couple of late nights and a few weekends of working to get ahead, and then I can have time off whenever I want. I've not got a boss telling me I can't or telling me I've had my 28 days and I can't have any more. I can be like, I'll do what I like. I'll do what I want, when I want, and how I want to. Yeah, I'm not really the kind of person that can be told what to do. I don't even like it when I have to tell myself what to do. Oh dear. Such a simple card, and you could do this with any stamped shape. You could do it with flowers, you could do it with circles, you could do it with whatever, hearts, anything. Okay. And I'm not going to add any more on there. I'm going to keep it nice and simple. I think that's awesome. And I can send that as a smile in the mail. So I hope you'll give that a try. So we have Purple Poser, we have Terracotta Tile, we have, what's that one called? Pretty Peacock, Rocco Rose and Seaside Spray. Those are your new in colours, and they are beautiful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.